This is what FPV pilots call the walk of shame. Hey, this is Dad Random, and I have just crashed my Geprc rocket. So what I'm doing is I'm out hiking. So I've got to locate it. I have an idea where it's at, and that's about it. I do have a beeper on and a buzzer, so that's going to be critical. I'm just hoping I can get within, where I can hear it. Yep, I'm hiking again. I just don't know why I crashed today. It seemed like the drone was flying heavier for some reason. I can't be that far away. So here we go. Dad Random, looking for his drone. FPV version. Just went over my DVR footage. So you got to take a little bit different approach. You got to use landmarks. I wasn't out as far as I thought, but I am over a fence. I was coming back and I did you'll see in the video, I did a roll, and for some reason, the quad just said it was heavier, or maybe I was flying heavier. I don't know. If I was just using, not using enough power in my flight today. I would have been clear of the danger zone, but I did hit an area where there was a lot of rocks, so. Here we go. Dad Random, looking for his drone. FPV version. Look at that. Holy crap, I'd never find it again. I was flying over that too. That's like serious danger zone. That's definitely a no-go zone. But first real crash of the Geprc rocket. They say it's crash proof. We'll find out. All right, here we go. Just a little bit of it's just over there somewhere. But like I said, it's in somebody's property, so I gotta jump the fence, go to the top of the hill, and it should be easy. Later, bye. All right, I gotta watch my step here. This is, I hear the beeping right now. Oh man, there's lots of rocks. This might not be good. Wow, you'll never hear this beeper. Guys, you need to have a GPS or a tile or something. Man, I was so close to making it. There it is. There it is. Yay. There we go. The condition. You hear that? Learning my lesson today. Ooh, she's hot. We better unplug the battery. All right. Moment of truth. Lens is intact. Battery straps on. Little bit of dust, dirt. Looks like the props are good. Oh, little scuffling of the props right there. But look where I landed. Look at that. Look at that ground. And look at that. I almost made it to the edge. Almost. So lucky day, found it. Everything seems to be intact. I don't know why it was flying so funny. Maybe it was just me. Who knows? We'll find out, because I got a few more flights in me today, and I'm definitely not going to fly very far away. I'm gonna definitely find me some grass today and get this crap out of me, whatever happened, because I was not doing anything difficult. I mean, it was just something I've been doing for days now. I mean, 3 days. But now I gotta scooch myself out of this area here, because it's right at the edge of a gravel pit. But she's intact. We've got the biggest thing is the lens, making sure that the lens is still good. And it is good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Didn't get any rock damage, and like I said, a little bit of prop scuff, but that's it. Later, dead random, finding his drone. No, the beepers are not very loud. You'd literally have to be standing on top of it. Anyway, later, dead random. Happy story. Location of my drone, a success. Not very far, I'd say, from here to where I was flying from. About 1,000, maybe 1,500 feet. And maybe 2,000 feet. Later, bye. There's nobody behind me, so they won't see me talking, going, hey, dead random, you're an idiot. Later. Like the backwards hat. That's the bad AFPV look. Yeah, it's only a walk of shame if you don't find your quad. Later, bye. Hey, dead random here. Man, I committed error, probably one of the most important errors, pre-flight check. I'd been through a crash previous to this crash I just am recovering from, and guess what's wrong? Look at that. I had a cracked prop probably, and it spun off. Didn't spin off, it just disintegrated. So, lesson learned. The battery, holy crap, the battery's all mushed up. I'm glad it didn't explode and light on fire. That was a pretty crazy crash. But that's all from a prop. So, big mistake. There we go, new prop. I was just flying along, everything was great, and suddenly, just all kinds of spinning around. I'm like, my battery couldn't have fallen off. No, it was oh man, it just, look at that battery, just mushed. Do you still use a battery like that? Let me know in the comments. I was trying to loosen up. It was my fourth flight of the day. Starting to get, it's a little bit breezy, but I was getting a handle of, got through one gap today. I'll show you that. That's pretty cool. But learning a lot of lessons. This is my third crash of the day. My last crash with my second battery was I just disarmed it. I was low, and I was gonna put it in horizon mode, you know, so I could make it maybe an easier landing. And then I just cut the power, bam. So that's called panic switch. But can you use a battery like that anymore? I don't know if you charge it in the house. Man, it didn't explode, but it can't be good. All right, I'll be asking some questions before I start to charge that one up. But Dad random, this is my third battery. I don't have any more fresh batteries. Looks like we have to fly tomorrow. Maybe fly tonight. We'll see. I've got plenty of batteries. I got 4 more sitting at home. So only 2 of them involved in crashes. But let me know, what do you do with a battery that gets squashed? And of course, I've got to fix that prop. Later. Bye. Yes, this is what FPV pilots call the walk of shame.